Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the thunder strikes, also known as the thunderstorm or the lightning strikes. So how do they happen? In the ice crystals in the storm clouds, they break up sometimes, and if and they break up sometimes they join again. So in that procedure, electricity gets generated, and that electricity we see as lightning strikes. So these lightning strikes are very powerful and could fall on us and also lead to death, as there is a very rare chance of survival in these lightning strikes. So how could we get safe from these lightning strikes during a thunderstorm? So for this we could do some things like do not open an umbrella or use a metal thing when there is a lightning strike, because metal is a conductor of electricity, so electricity could fall on it. And also electricity takes the shortest path to the ground so that it could come easily to the ground. So don't stand under a tall tree, as it is very hot in that lightning strike. It is around 30,000 degrees Celsius hot. So this could easily burn the tree even if it is very big. So the third tip is that don't swim anywhere, even in a swimming pool or a pond, anywhere, because the lightning may hit a solid object in the water or any other liquid. And the best advice is to stay inside homes, as and also to stay away from windows, as if the window is open, then the electricity of the lightning may come inside the home and burn the human due to heat. But would this happen? Well, sometimes there are many cases that the window of a vehicle is open and the person is inside the vehicle because there is a lightning strike outside, so he is not getting out. But still, the electricity fell somewhere near the vehicle, and some parts of that lightning strike came into that vehicle, and that burns the human due to heat, which may also lead to death. And there is a very rare chance to hit a human being or a living thing. There is around 1 out of a 15,300 chance, but so it's very rare. But if the lightning hits a person, then the most chances are that the person would die or would get severely injured. So there is a very rare chance of survival. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.